Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I do my big bun protective style. It's one of my go-to styles, and I first showed this look on my blog and on my Instagram quite a while ago. And since then, I've had continuous requests to do a tutorial, so here it is. So right now I'm going to be using my Scurl No Drip Curl Activator. This stuff is amazing. I'm stretching my relaxer right now, and as you guys can see, I have quite a bit of new growth. And during this time, I think I'm about 8 weeks post relaxer. So a lot of new growth, and it's just, dry. I just want it to be more manageable, more soft, and obviously moisturized. So I'm just going to go in sections and apply Scurl evenly and then just massage it in with my fingers. So as you guys have seen in my previous videos, I always moisturize my hair prior to protective styling. That way my hair retains moisture throughout the day. So right now I'm just quickly moisturizing. Typically I go in sections, a lot smaller sections than what I'm doing right now. But I just directly spray the Scurl on my ends, not too much to the point where it's like soggy, but just enough to keep it hydrated. And now I'm just massaging it in throughout my strands, from the roots to tips, all of that good stuff. So after moisturizing, I always seal, and I use the Keracare essential oils. This blend of oils is amazing. I love this stuff. It always helps to soften and really smooth out my ends. So right now I'm just prepping my hair, just detangling once again, and getting it ready to style. So now I'm going to use my fine tooth comb and do a center part. I just find like a middle part is the easiest. It just always seems to be a default part in my hair for some reason. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing. And forgive me if it's not entirely straight or centered, but you guys understand what I'm trying to do. So anyway, I'm going to prep my hair for my ponytail, just ensure everything is smooth, there's no flyaways, everything is nice and neat and in place. And I'm also going to use my boar bristle brush to ensure that everything is nice and smooth. So over the years, my hair has really increased in thickness, and regular ponytail holders just don't work for me anymore. So I use Ouchless headbands as basically a ponytail holder. So I loop it twice or double it up, and it works for me. It doesn't create any breakage, it doesn't snag on my hair, and it just has the right amount of firmness as well. So on the third loop now, I don't pull my hair out completely. As you guys can see, I'm just slowly pulling my hair through the ponytail holder. And then I'm gonna stop midway to kind of just fan the bun out, give it the right amount of fullness. And then I'll just draw my ends out a little bit further so it's not exposed or hanging down. And then just continue to fan out the bun so it has a nice amount of body and thickness to it. And that's it. So I don't typically do this, but usually I'll take a bobby pin, one on each side, just to secure the bun and just to hold it in place. So right now I'm going to use the Eco Styler Black Castor Oil and Olive Oil Gel. I typically use just edge control for this part, but I've run out completely. So I'm going to be using this to kind of just hold everything in place, smooth any flyaways, just slick my edges down completely. And so far so good with this product. If there's no flaking, there's no crustiness, there's no buildup of any sort. Really love this gel. I would definitely recommend it. But yeah, so I'm going to be using this to kind of lay everything nice and neat. And then of course my satin scarf to hold everything in place for about a good maybe 15 minutes, and then you'll see the finished look. So yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like. This is definitely one of my go-to styles as of late, and it's just so simple and easy to do, very chic. Every time I wear this style, a lot of people ask me if I've added a piece into my hair, like if there's any fake hair added. So it's definitely a fun one to do. Let me know in the comments if you'll try it, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.